Quilted jackets are the perfect blend of style and comfort. These versatile garments can elevate your wardrobe while keeping you cozy. The best part? You can make your own with just a sewing kit and your choice of fabric. Quilted jackets feature layers of fabric stitched together in decorative patterns. They're not only fashionable but also provide warmth without bulk. Whether you're looking for a rain jacket, a cozy winter coat, or a stylish everyday piece, there's a quilted jacket pattern for you. Let's explore some free quilted jacket patterns you can try. For those rainy days, consider the Rainy Day Jacket by Ramona Rose. It's perfect for children who love splashing in puddles. Experienced intermediate quilters will enjoy recreating this charming design. If you're new to quilting, try the DIY quilted jacket. This pattern allows you to transform a quilted blanket into a wearable jacket, offering both softness and warmth. It's an ideal project for beginners looking to create a practical cold weather garment. For a more artistic approach, check out the Quilted Dream Coat by Martha of Buried Diamond. This pattern features eye-catching 9-patch square blocks alternated with patchwork squares. It's a great way to use up fabric scraps while creating a unique, head-turning piece. Vintage lovers will appreciate the Vintage DIY Quilted Jacket by Michaela Creates. This handmade masterpiece showcases intricate sawtooth quilt blocks, combining style and comfort in one garment. For those with little ones, the Toddler Quilted Jacket from Small Dream Factory is designed to fit children aged 2 to 2.5 years. It's a cute and cozy option for keeping your young explorer warm on chilly days. Quilted jackets offer endless possibilities for creativity and personal expression. Whether you choose a free pattern or invest in a paid one, making your own quilted jacket allows you to craft a garment that's truly one of a kind. Want more quilted jacket inspiration? Explore a variety of patterns and tutorials over at ilovequiltingforever.com. So grab your sewing kit, choose your favorite fabric, and start creating your own stylish and cozy quilted jacket today.